B2 is option. Those who are not responding, I will put them option. B3 up. B3.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is Z value here. What is Z value in this problem?
8 kilometers.
8 kilometer. Already here we are showing. And what is 12 microwatt? 12 microwatt is what? P of 0.
Yes, sir.
Launched power is nothing but input power. P of 0 is 12 microwatt, not 120. We'll see that 12. The same manner, P of Z is 3 microwatt. Output power is 3 microwatt. Okay. So overall attenuation we have to find. The first aim is overall attenuation we have to find. That is alpha is equal to 10 by Z log P of 0 by P of Z. Overall attenuation alpha is 10 log P of 0 by P of Z. First find out this one. What is this value? Maybe this is 12, I think. 12 by 3. You can check this answer, all of you. So the mistake has taken 12. If it is a 12 or 120, you can see that and modify according to the result. At which value you will get 16.02, you can take that value only. If it is 120, you can take 120. If it is 12, you can take 12. Okay. Alpha, overall attenuation is alpha is equal to 10 log P of 0 by P of Z. Alpha will get 16.02. Overall attenuation for 10 kilometer. Is asking overall attenuation for 10 kilometer. That's why overall attenuation by 10 for first you can find for kilometer. For kilometer, how you will get by Z. Okay, here also you can able to get directly. Here also you'll get directly by taking Z here. Okay, Elana, this question. Any manner you can take. Okay, first you can find overall attenuation 10 log P of 0 by P of Z, and attenuation for kilometer is 16.02 by 8, and attenuation for 10 kilometer is equal to into 10. Per kilometer 2 dB per kilometer, and for 10 kilometers you'll get 20 dB. And again is asking that optical using same optical with the splices at 1 kilometer interval, each giving an attenuation of 1 dB. For example, this is my fiber I am taking. What he is saying is, let us consider this distance as 10 kilometer. Let us consider this distance as 10 kilometer. I am using splices or connectors. Splice or connector I am using for 1 kilometer. For 1 kilometer, one splice. This is a splice I am taking. One splice. And for second kilometer, another splice. And third kilometer, another splice. Like this. How many splices required for 10 kilometer? Tell me, anyone? For 1 kilometer, I am using one splice. Second kilometer, third kilometer, and fourth kilometer, another splice. Fifth kilometer, another splice. Sixth kilometer, another splice. How many splices we need?
10.
To 10 kilometer. Tell me.
10, sir.
10.
10.
Still any other answers?
9, sir.
10.
9, sir.
9. Okay, for up to 1 kilometer, one splice. Up to 2 kilometers, second, third, 3, fourth, 4, 5, 6, 7th kilometer, and 8th kilometer, and 9th kilometer, and 10th kilometer. How many splices we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For 10 kilometer cable, we need 9 connectors. 9 connectors. Simply, you can able to say this answer, but still you are saying wrong answers. We need 9 connectors. Okay, for each connector, for each splice, what is the loss? 1 dB. 1 dB. So we have 9 splices. That's why 9 dB. So that is he saying here. Okay, for 10 kilometer link, there will be 9 splices at 1 kilometer interval. Each splice introduces attenuation of 1 dB. So 9 into 1, 9 dB. Already for 10 kilometer without splice, 20 we are getting. 20 plus 9, 29. That is the total attenuation. Copy this one, all of you. Per kilometer, we are getting 2 dB, and for 10 kilometers, 20 dB. This is without splices. What he is saying is, I am using splices. He is saying overall signal attenuation for 10 kilometer optical link using same fiber with splices. Without splices, 20 dB per kilometer, 20 dB attenuation. With splices, 29 dB attenuation we are getting. Is it clear? All of you. Any doubt regarding this type of problem? Anyone? Any doubts?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, alpha is equals to 6.02 dB, no, sir.
So at which value we are getting 6.0? 12 or 120?
12, sir.
12 we are getting 6.0.
02 dB.
Okay. So whatever you will get, that you can consider the answer. Otherwise take 120, what you will get?
For
You are
120,
taking 120.
16.02.
So then in the problem you can take that as 120. That is better.
Okay.
Okay. In the problem that was mistake, there is a 120 microwatts. Input power is 120 microwatts, output power is 3 microwatt. Here we are using some connectors and splices, that's why the loss is more. We are getting only 3 microwatts power. All of you take that one as 120 microwatts launched power. Then everything is you'll get same 16.02 and 2 dB, 20 dB, 29 dB. Like this, we have to do different problems. Okay, so try to solve more problems in the textbook. All of you solve more problems. (62) is option, 62 is not there, 64, 65 is option, 66, 67, 68, 69, 68. Respond, roll call, all of you.
Sir.
69. 69 is option. 70.
Present, sir.
71.
64 present, sir.
64. Okay, 60. Sorry, 71.
Sir, 63 also present here.
What are you doing? 72.
71 present, sir.
Present, sir.
Okay, 72. 73.
Present, sir. 73.
75.
Present, sir.
What about 74? 74 absent. 76.
Present, sir.
77.
77 present, sir.
79.
present, sir. 79 present, sir.
80.
80 present, sir.
81. 81. 81 is absent. 82.
Present, sir.
81 present,
83. 81 present.
83
Okay.
present, sir.
83. 84.
83 present, sir. 84 present, sir.
85. Absent. 86.
Present, sir. 86.
87.
Present, sir.
88.
Present, sir.
89. Absent. 90. Absent. 91. 91 absent. 92.
Present, sir.
93.
Present, sir.
94. Absent. 95. Absent. 96. Absent. 97.
Present, sir.
98. 98. I am keeping as option 98. 99.
Present, sir.
A0.
Present, sir.
A1.
Present, sir.
A3 absent. A4. A4. A4 also absent. A5 absent. A6.
Present, sir.
A7.
Yes, sir.
A8.
Present, sir.
A9.